Took a small break, but I am back. My dear friends, do you also use the word very bad, very tired, very sad, etc. like this? So, in my today's video, let's learn some new ways to say very to make your English more fluent in conversations. So, my dear friends, my name is Pragati Mishra and I am from Uttar Pradesh. Let's start this today's video. Very good. Instead of very good, you can say excellent. Very bad. Terrible. Very tired. Exhausted. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Very smart, brilliant, very funny, hilarious, very small, teeny or tiny, very big, huge, very hungry, starving, very scared, terrified. So, these words you can use while conversation. It sounds more fluent. I'll meet you in my upcoming video and in my today's video whatever I had said, try to use this in your conversation because we learn a lot, but when we practice them, when we make them reflex, then only it helps us. So let's stop this today's video. Till then, take care and bye bye.